this will be in effect until 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday. But with this high wind warning, we're going to have gusts of up to 50 to 60 miles per hour across most of the Susquehanna Valley. But you can see earlier we were dealing with a bit of a thunderstorm that came through just to the south of Adams County. Franklin and Adams County moved in from Hagerstown, moving its way northeast into York and Lancaster counties as well. But you can see that has now moved well off to our northeast past the Lehigh Valley. So now we're starting to see a little bit of some clearing in the sky there, but we're still going to be dealing with these very windy conditions in the wake of the cold front that just passed through. So we'll have mostly cloudy conditions for the most part this evening, getting into tonight as well with these strong winds with gusts up to 50 miles per hour, 34 to 38 degrees. And then getting into tonight, the wind chills are going to feel like they're into the teens. I mean, with this west-northwesterly breeze just kicking, it's going to make it feel very cold out there. And with temperatures into the lower to mid-20s, yeah, it's definitely going to be a cold night out there. So make sure you bundle up if you happen to be, if you have any night plans tonight. It'll be mostly cloudy as we get into the overnight period. Then heading into tomorrow, it'll be between 28 and 32 degrees. Still have those strong winds that are going to be kicking. So we've made this evening, tonight, and tomorrow an alert period, or all three as alert periods, or tomorrow will be an alert day. Still partly sunny, relatively nice day in terms of the sky conditions, but still very strong winds. Make sure you keep everything settled, or make sure you anchor everything towards the house, especially your trash cans if you have any loose objects outdoors. 42 degrees was our high for the day today, and that's right around par for this time of year. And we got about just over a little bit, like about a third of an inch of rain that fell in Harrisburg. But I wanted to show you this wind gust forecast. The strongest of the winds will be right between this time period, between now until about 6 o'clock in the evening on Monday. That's where we're expecting the strongest of the winds. And you can see the scale here, up to 50 miles per hour, beyond 50 miles per hour. So that's why with this cold front and the strong winds that are going to be coming in, that's why we have a high wind warning in effect for the majority of the area. We're 41 degrees in Lancaster now, 43 in Gettysburg. We're 42 degrees in Carlisle. And here are the sustained winds at this time. We're 26 miles per hour in Lancaster, 21 miles per hour in Lewistown, and 26 miles per hour in Chambersburg. And this is what it feels like across the entire Susquehanna Valley. And this is what it feels like right now, into the single digits in most areas, even into the teens as we get into Monday evening. Taking a look at Storm Team Live Radar Network, still seeing that storm just moving well off to the northeast. And you see, this is what we're dealing with in terms of the upper level patterns. We're seeing a lot of this action all that action is now moved off to the northeast. We're seeing some off and on clouds as we get through the rest of Monday and also into Tuesday. But here's the next story. After these winds, it's going to be this coming week, the middle of the week, is what this snowstorm that could be coming by. You can see what we have highlighted here on our long-range predictor. The worst of the storm, we've been hearing a lot of talks about this, the worst of the storm right now seems to be pushing towards the south of the Susquehanna Valley, only really seeing the outer portions of that storm impacting the Susquehanna Valley. We don't have anything on totals at this point, but we do have our eyes on the middle of this week, and it'll have pushed out by the time we get into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. So for the rest of the 10 days, we're going to be very windy for the start of the work week. Again, that chance of snow between Wednesday and Thursday, then it's going to be another cold and chilly end of the week coming up. Back to you.